Hello again. My name is the Reverend Simon Archer. I am the Vicar of the parish of Harbour in Castletown. I'm also known as the Isle of Man Vicar. So thank you for joining me again. This is going to be a bit of a different one today. It's the World Tin Bath Championships. It's race day. It's world famous, and we are setting up for the church stall. And a lot of it takes place in the church car park. I thought I'd let you join in. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to record because I'm going to be quite busy because we've got our drink and cake stall that we have. But and when we say World Championship, it really is a World Championship. You get people taking part from all over the world. So it looks like it's going to be a glorious day for it as well. 19 degrees and kind of mixed cloud and sun, but it's quite sunny at the moment. It's quite nice. So we're loving it. It's brilliant. So I'm just pulling in here. I'm not sure why. Yeah, so we're just preparing at the moment, just getting ready, and thought I'd do a quick walk round. And I've got my little under here. I've got like a little magnetic thing, so I'm going to try sticking it on there and having a walk and see if we can show you. But this is before it all starts, so this is quite early on. Let's transfer around and see what you can pick up. So this is going to be our stall, and it is tea, coffee, cake, juice, that sort of thing. So it's set up there. We've just got the tables out at the moment. Haven't got anything out tea, cake wise, or anything like that. Obviously we have our heron, and tide's just coming in at the moment, so I have to time it to work with the tides, because obviously they're going to need the depth in the water for everything else that goes on. All a big hive of activity.
Just drop back to the cone there, behind the green door. Yeah, if you just go behind the green door where that yellow cone is, I'll kick the cone out of the way and go there.
Yep, so people are preparing their tin baths. We'll go back to the church in a moment. You'll be able to see some of the tin baths. We've got sort of tyres that are using the snake race. Got some special boats. Some of the people really do up their tin baths to, there's a competition for the sort of best dressed tin bath sort of thing. Others just have the number on the side. Hiya.
Right.
Hello. And people start kind of preparing and getting ready for it. So it's quiet at the moment because what's the time? It's 12:15. It doesn't actually kick off till 2. It's an hour and 3/4. But some of the stalls are starting to come together. They'll do the road closures a little bit later.
Do you know roughly what the running will be?
Yeah, like hiya. So it starts at 2 o'clock. If you want to know the exact running order, over there across the road where those people are standing looking, there's a full running order of what's going on.
You.
Probably not times on it though.
No,
we're just
that's
2 o'clock
yes, that's
until
the
they've all
one.
sunk.
And I think there's still doing one whether somebody jumps in trying to.
Oh, they'll be doing that. Yes,
okay.
yes, that'll all be happening.
And one last thing, are you the minister and vicar who does the vlogs?
I do.
You do? Yeah,
I'm recording at the moment. Is that all right? It's great. It's great. Good.
Fine,
Thank you.
That's okay.
Yeah, so that's one of my churches. They do a lot of the preparations in the car park, and so I thought I'd do a little walk around and.
I've seen some of them pop
Thank
up.
you.
So very interesting.
Yeah, great. Thank you very much. Hope you have a lovely day. It's cool. It's nice to meet people on the way.
I don't know. I only work.
Can hear a puncture.
Don't you say that.
No, I think it's you.
I'll burst you. Vicar or no vicar.
Take care. It's Dave. So it's all arranged by the Castletown Ale Drinkers Society. And one of the cars has moved. But they always have a bit of a problem if someone parks their car. even though the road is supposed to be closed, and that's actually coach parking anyway, not car parking. We'll have a quick walk around the harbour. People getting their chairs and spots ready. Going to be a good day for it. So I say it's a world championship tin bath racing. We all laugh and go, world champ, yep. Literally people travel here from all over the world to take part. Have a walk through Glue Pot. Quiet day today then?
Oh yes, Simon.
Should be a nice quiet one. It's going to be great weather for it, isn't it? Better than last year.
I'm cold.
Are you cold?
Yeah, stood here, I'm cold, but I think we'll be fine.
Yeah. See a bit. That's Helen, she runs Glue Pot. So pretty soon all this will close up, they'll put the barriers up and then people have to pay to actually sort of come into the harbour area, but it's only like £3 or something.
Like the bar I'm held to is like way higher than it should be.
Tide is on its way in. Yes, we'll do a quick walk around now. Maybe we'll do another walk around later when it's all happening. Catch a bit of it. We're not going to be doing every minute of the tin bath racing, but just so you get an idea what it's like. That's the Fox and Fin. Absolutely fantastic beer. My favourite is the Norseman. So like when it's warm, and the Bushy's makes bitter. It's lovely. It's so reasonable. Like Norseman Lager is £4.20 a pint. £4.20 a pint for locally brewed lager. It's awesome. Oh, they can walk around this way, might walk around that way. Trying to make sure I don't get in anyone's way while they're setting up. They've got enough to worry about. This is where the silver band will be. It's starting to set up.
Yeah.
The chances of that are...
Heroes in the water, awesome. There we go. Sounds South African. See what they got. Looks nice. Just trying to see what they had on their menu. Oh, this is Thurstle Bridge. That's looking rather good. The flowers and the box, the what are they called? Planters. There we go. I think I had some on the other side. They've probably taken them off because they need the space over this side. It always gets a little bit interesting around here. Hello, I'm filming, just so you know. It's my wife in an amazing new Snoopy jumper. Ta-da! And then, yeah, this is the car park of the church where they're all setting up and painting their numbers on the boats. You okay?
Yeah, just looking for a Phillips screwdriver. Have you got?
Oh, I don't know whether I'll have anything like that. These guys here might have something. Bill? No, ask away. Cheers. Back into the church, peace and quiet, where we're just preparing all the cakes and tea and coffee and things like that. Ta-da. And here's the team. I'm filming, just so you know. There we go. I just got a knife in her hand like that.
I see my mum yesterday. I said, "What are you doing?" She turned around and she had this bit of cake and she looked at the picture.
Catch up again in a bit. So it's all kind of starting now. We're getting there. You see, it's got a little bit busier
The race is going to start.
because the racing is about to start. Just see Noel Edmonds just said hello as he walked past, which is nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Castletown, the ancient capital of the Isle of Man. Just before we get started with the Timber races for 2026, just a few things to say about safety. Please, if you do have
Yeah, it's amazing how busy it gets.
You're obviously aware you are right next to a harbour with the tide obviously still coming in.
Stalls open with the cake, tea, coffee, juice.
Have a little bit of thought about yourself. Enjoy it. This is what we want to do.
We've got some companies
Today, but please,
here for the snake race. Got our local police officers, food stalls, drink stalls. Got a lifeboat in there now. But I'm going to stay near the stall because I'm helping serve, so I'll hang around there. But yeah, as you can see, it's all getting started. Well, hopefully you can get an idea from the camera. I can't actually see what's on the camera, but you get an idea how busy it gets, especially on a lovely day like this. Absolutely beautiful, warm, sunny. Probably a great day to have a dip in the harbour, which is what a lot of these people end up doing. We have a zip line that goes across, and you've got to try and drop in like a hoop. And we've got all the tin baths and the snake race. It's like tubular tyre things, whatever the tyre tubes that they connect together for the snake race. It's all really cool anyway. But yeah, there's a quick peek. They get back to work, sell some of these teas, coffees and cakes. Yeah, so what they've just had, which you won't be able to see.
Thank you for your support here this year. So we'll have a short break while we tidy all the mess up, get rid of the Vikings. They're probably going in the glue pot, to be fair, and we'll get underway with our first batch heading out onto the
So
water now.
what they've just had is a rib, it's a type of boat, rigid inflatable boat. A rib come in with someone dressed as Donald Trump invading Castletown Harbour. And he's just been expelled by so scared. Someone dressed as Donald Trump, hilarious, with a big blonde wig and invading the harbour. And it's just the locals have got rid of him, should we say? So it's all a bit of fun. But, you have to have a sense of humour here, believe me. Yeah, really busy. There's our good old Heron, and the crowds are there all the way around, been gathering for ages.
Thank you very much as always for your
That's the lifeboat leaving now.
of the world.
They've opened up the swing bridge.
My dog like cries if I leave. I'm like,
Once the swing bridge is back across here, we'll be getting going. So just hold on a second, gentlemen, please. Gentlemen, please. Okay.
Bridge closing at the end there.
So number 111, sneaking into the men's final for some reason, Eagle and all that. Emma Langonier, hello Emma, 55. Next to there, 55 front ones, 20. Cherry Flynn, 63 also in there. Thomas Barry, just a name like you. Yeah. To go to as soon as the swing bridge is back into position. We'll have one more boat. Number 1, 2, 3. This is the lady Claire Louise, nice. And we come out from the Lady Crabs. Reminding the winner last year, the year before that was Steve Watson, 24-25. Thomas Parry, 23. Green, 22. Paul Green, 21. 2023, Dave Watson, 3 times, 17, 19 and 20. One more vote coming through the line. Adam. Are you about ready to go with the men's final?
Massive round of applause and thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. See you later.
Turn right, turn left.
Honestly, thank you.
Out to the swing bridge and back. Are we ready to race, gentlemen, ladies? 3, 2, 1.
And this is where people start to sing.
An absolute cracker, I think. 55, 20, 63 and 1. All the chance there, I think. So just a reminder, you see why they're going there now, slightly different. And you have what the wild ring intensity is a bit slow there at the moment. Okay. He's going to leave it out there in the turn. What have we got? It's 55 in the lead at the minute. So 55 are leading Nick Watt from the paddle sports team. He leads with number 1 in there. I think Steve Watt is in there behind.
Again, how can you give us all of that and then not show us the big finish? But I don't want to like standing with my arm up in there. I'm not brought like anything to hold the camera with, so I'm literally just holding it in my hand. So anyway, that's a little bit of the Tim Bath race, and thought I'd just show a little bit, see what it's like for lots of people who aren't on the island. Who think that's absolute madness, and yes, it is, and it's amazing. So hopefully you'll get to visit over on the island and visit Castletown. If you're lucky, you'll be here on Tim Bath Day. But I've got to get back to the store now, sell some more teas and coffees. So I'll see you later. Bye bye.